Hey guys, today let's go through a low bar squat. So the difference between low bar and high bar is basically where the bar is placed. So high bar squat is going to be on top of the traps and low bar squat is going to be more laying on the rear delts here. So it's just going to be a little bit lower. And that will determine how you will go down into your squat. If you're doing a high bar squat, you are going to be coming down, your torso is going to be more upright, and it is going to be a little more quads here as you're coming up. And now if the bar is lowered, because you want to keep that bar in line with the midfoot, you are going to be pushing your hips back more, and you're going to have more of a forward lean, hitting more of the posterior chain than the quads. So as we go into this low bar here, again, it's going to rest on the rear delts. You can make a shove, putting your elbows back. You're going to go ahead and get into your squat stance and coming down and up. Again, notice how I'm pushing my hips back. I'm having more of a forward lean, and I'm coming up, trying to keep that bar midfoot to keep us balanced. Brace that core. I hope that helped, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.